Bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko po lamang malaman kung meron na sino man na naririto ang may paghadlang sa ating isasagawang pag-iisang dibdib. Meron po ba? Sino yung nasa dulo?
Nagkakilala kami through Facebook. Nagdebut yung isa naming classmate. Nag-upload yung classmate ko. Then nakita niya yung picture ko doon. Tapos sabi niya, ay, ang ganda naman dito. Kaso parang bingot ata to. Sabi niya.
And then nung nakita ko sa personal, sabi ko ba, hindi. Iba yung dating niya sa akin.
Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog. Ikakasal na ako. Hindi na ako single with you.
To the stars of the Sunset Boulevard. From the small towns, here we are. No one ever thought that we could
February
make it this
15, nag-date kami. Pumunta kami sa grotto. Tapos,
Pinagod ko muna siya doon paakyat.
doon nasa taas na kami. Sabi niya sa akin, ay, lovely, mahal na kita. Pwede ba kitang ligaw? Sabi niya. Parang, mas compatible siguro kaysa differences. Kasi parehas kami ng ugali, parehas kami ng loko-loko.
Going all the way, going all the way, going all the way, going all the way up. Going all the way, going all the way, going all the way. Going all the way, going all the way up. Going all the way. Open the door. Tell me what you see.
Jev, ever since I met you 8 years ago, I knew that you're the one I will spend the rest of my life with. Sa sobrang tayong dalawa, swak talaga, as in.
Over the last 8 years na kahit minsan nalilito ako kung ilang years na tayo, minsan na-advance, you shown me what a great love looks like, and every morning, lagi akong nahuhulog sa'yo. I'm always grateful and thankful kasi matured ka mag-isip kahit naisip bata ako. I will always love the person that you become just as much I love the person that you are what today. I love you so much.
Iingatan ko ang pagsasama nating dalawa. Pangako sa'yo na buong puso ko at buhay ay mamahalin kita. At di kita iiwanan forever. My endless love.
Whether it's oceans or city lights, it's always calling for you. 'Cause it's your home.
When you look at these rings on your hands, be reminded of this moment, your commitment and the love you now feel for each other.
Masaya ako na sumunod ako sa'yo doon kasi natupad unti-unti yung pangarap natin. Kahit hindi pa lahat, at least step by step, kasama kita sa lahat ng pangarap ko at pangarap natin at tutuparin natin yun sabay parehas.
Marriage is a gift from God, given to us that we might experience the joys of unconditional love with your lifelong partner. God designed marriage to be an intimate relationship between a man and a woman. I now pronounce you husband and wife in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
dumating ka sa buhay ko. Kasi nagkaroon ako ng forever na kasama.
Sana di ka magbago. Thank you kasi lagi ka nandyan. Even sa hard times natin, and gagawin ko lahat para sa atin na maging future na family natin. I love you so much.
Built for you and me. It feels like